Hi, my name is Randy Chapin. I'm a recruiter, and I place executives and professionals with companies who have a Lean Six Sigma continuous improvement program. And I've got a couple of opportunities. We have a large group here that's dedicated to Lean Six Sigma. We've got a number of opportunities. Here's just a couple of new positions that we've recently taken on. Same company, same positions, two different locations. I'm looking for Lean Six Sigma black belts. I have a position located up in the Chicago suburbs. It's a little bit outside of the Chicago suburbs, but it's north and west, near Woodstock, Illinois. I've got another opportunity down in Birmingham, Alabama. But it's basically a Lean Six Sigma black belt position. You're going to identify and drive Lean Six Sigma projects through the plant. They have a very robust Lean Six Sigma program, lots of opportunity for mobility. This is your entry into the company, into their Lean Six Sigma program. It's a large global company, a very innovative company that is involved in manufacturing of coatings and paints that they sell to industry, manufacturing industries, as well as consumers. So if this sounds like something you would be interested in, love to have a conversation with you, learn a little bit more about your background, share some more information with you, see if we think it might be a good fit. My phone number and contact information is going to pop up here at the end of the video, and I'd love to talk to you. Thank you.